Abba. Ebi huno huha, but this is the second largest loss I am making. In fact, Sawuhemwa, a second largest, highest loss since 2008. It is a 60 billion cedis here. By that, I know MPP. Time omo and the Managing Bank of Ghana no. Omo boka 60 billion Ghana cedis in 2022. The 15.63 billion ebe the second highest loss Bank of Ghana ambeki. But esi ekosa tangent no ana. Me gina ade we so akamasem. Ni nti ehia se ye dwene hu mpiri no. Now, Jeff, my profit and loss on no per year. I think is the last one. 2014, Bank of Ghana ya establishing say or be making profit and as will be making loss. They are supposed to actually ensure say your economy ni be stable. Nti yesika sembe to ye. Nti eba CD no management say CD no dollar na muru ni pi sika hodo aka na muru ni pi a om na behwe se betumi agina inflation na no ma bo se de esitu mirika kosoro ntentem om behwe se betumi aso ano na afi o ma hwe se generally o man no agina nanso yie efa sika sem ntutuye mu na Bank of Ghana edwubadie mu no etimi mu a wo mutumi nya mfaso kora etimi boa wo man ai enti se de o mo boka no wo mu nya mfaso so a eye. This is the trend. 2014, Bank of Ghana make a profit of 899,353. 2015, Bank of Ghana make a profit of 1,020,037. 2016, profit by trend no 709,000 Ghana cedis. Kakreguso. 2017, 1.6 million profit and will make a loss no make here. A dual profit at 2014, 2015, 2016. 2017, omeki omo a loss. That was 1.6 million Ghana cedis. 2018, omeki another loss. That was 1.8. That was 793,000 Ghana cedis. It is our under John Mahama, 2014, 2015, 2016. You make profit. The Bank of Ghana started so making losses and also more boka kakra from 2017 2018 no kasa no ye bebre ye hyase kasai sanse di entina so mo boka because John Dramani Mahama one no set record say Bank of Ghana make profit ti di entina se kaba 2019 ena Akufo-Addo aban no mo make profit 1.8 million 2020 omsa make profit 1.5 million 2021 profit 1.2 million 2022 almost have a boka and a car net so in history of this country. That's 60.8 billion Ghana cedis under Akufo-Addo. 2023 almost have a boka beam. That's 10.5 billion. And we yet won some bebre ewukrumuha. Eti de me pesa me kire ne say Bank of Ghana enyam faso pay. Do say ya establish say emema ye mfaso ana emebo ye ka. But omenya mfaso pay nti die nti na enisi ye de ani hwe mfaso ho anase ye behwe se kama that should be our goal. But Bank of Ghana a car 50.6 billion no in 2025 no ora o de to 2024 Bank of Ghana ka ombo 9.4 billion na che se ye car ye bo ewe sika sem tutu from ye bank di sika kra bia ba tan no ehuri ohamobu pen aduosiensia 66%. Na Bank of Ghana kire ye se wo mo de aboa ma inflation aba fam de me pese me kire ne se sa aka we no egina wo te se bia wo gi akatua efie bia ye papa ba ko pen wo hwe ye ena de akatua wo nya ye 9,000 Ghana cedis babo so me nso no wo di 18,400 sa no na se ka ba chiri be 9,400 wadi abrusika awunya sana Bank of Ghana de ne tie edi eno ye 2024 bia na ketua 9,000 wadi to 18,400 ti ka ba chiri 9,400 ye do 2025 no na ketua no wom se wenye revenue sika ka ho sika di bia be kan we se 10,000 Ghana cedis ye but wakodi 25,600 echese Bank of Ghana aboka 15,600 dika obono ekonanim by sika onya beka hono so nhyada no so bebre and say yanhwe ni yie na yanhwe a car Bank of Ghana airbo gradually and they will show cumulative negative equity. Na say a Bank of Ghana ne japade no ma nyina bom ne ye de toto ni sika asem ne wa. As a chire canon kwa no be 96.3 billion ye cumulative but 2024 net 61.3 billion and that screen is no 35 billion and abeka ho. Ni nyina no utie Bank of Ghana ese they manage inflation. It is 23.8%, the above 5.4%. Yes, it's good. Ghana for who be hurry. 14 cedis no, yeah, they about 10 cedis and they been in 11 cedis. It's good. Omu defense no, a good thing. A ma ye hu he higher as o man for ye ti o maimu. Your public debt, a car by that danija na honi ade no so. And also swat from 61% to 45% per GDP. And also a good news. Na ni nyina no keka bom ne mfaso a ede ebre ye no a ye beka senka ka no nyaade a ebe ye huhuhu bebre because ye nya mfaso kakra afri mu a eno manfo ko mu hare wo mu. But the issue is, must this continue? My point is no, because intimi nkoso a emmoka sa ede se eja ehye na wo nsuo na wo di dum no wo twi free pipe mu ensuo na wo twe ne bill na ekosoro pa e na asusu wudum jade tie se o hwese wo be balance bill na ekosoro pa ne sanse betumi abo mo asetena mu efie igwa katwa nyina de tua water bill no e kanodoso tie se o hwe kwa be fa so abeye ntotoye a obetete so. And I'm happy say now the Bank of Ghana aye nsachira almost say efa gold tony ade no mo yen nsachira wum any other policy mechanisms ahodo mo digu akwa mo yen nsachira se be ya ka we no yen hyeda ehu biemu. Isa Ata, member of parliament ujire mu di kan ema asa news wi enso kire say this won't happen again, and that's what we are expecting. And yes sir, baby enam no enye kanko a emoye, we shouldn't be making losses because we've made profits before. Ma menko ahoma no so na mene eye